Good morning, primary school. It's Thursday, June 14th, and it's the last day of school. This is the 155th episode of iNews this year. Woohoo! The World Cup of Soccer kicks off tonight as well. I'm Daishin
and I'm Ananth, and here are your morning announcements. The end of year assembly will begin at 8:30 sharp in the NPR.
Today is the last day of school. Students will be dismissed at 11:40 a.m.
Check out these new hats that the PTO are selling. They are on sale today at the Rhino Hut. 300,000 VND for one and 500,000 VND for two. Get them for the summer vacation. Coming up, they also make a great gift.
Take the pledge of no more single use. You can start by refusing plastic straws and using bamboo ones. Bring in your own reusable water bottle and using cloth bags. You can get your own bamboo straw at the Global Cafe today.
Joke of the day. How can you learn more about spiders?
How?
Check out their website.
Random fact of the day. Out of every 2,000 babies, one is born with a tooth.
The mindfulness quote of the day is, worry never robs tomorrow of its sorrow, it only snaps today of its joy. Leo Buscaglia.
That's it for today's morning announcements. Have a terrific summer, be safe, and see you all next August.